batas. Sabi niya kasi maraming procedural lapses eh. Okay? So, syempre, pag na-technical to, mga ka-clear, halimbawa lang pinag-usapan lang naman natin to. Kung ito'y mata-technical, walang trial. Hindi niya malilinis pangalan niya. Diba? Eh, sabi niya, gusto ko ng, even before, wala pa to. Parang, kailan ba siya na-interview noon? Months ago, sabi niya, oo, gusto ko yung speech. Ito to, natatanda ko yung words niya. Gusto ko ng impeachment, gusto ko na rin matuloy ang impeachment, kasi para ako na lang ang tatanungin nila, hindi na nila madadama yung mga kasama ko sa OVP, sa DepEd, kasi dapat ako lang, may ganon, di ba? Para malinis ka rin pangalan ko, dapat ako lang, hindi dapat nakakasama yung ibang mga kasama. Una yan. Pero despite that, na gusto niya ng trial, gusto niya matuloy yung trial, nag-file sila sa Supreme Court. Tingnan muna natin ito mga clear. Saan ba yan? Wait, Okay, wait. Ito. Napakita ko lang kasi parang medyo may inconsistency. Okay? Ayan. Try natin to. VP Sara Duterte files petition to SC to stop impeachment moves against her. This is Feb 19, 2025. Okay? Vice President Sara Duterte has filed a petition before the Supreme Court to block the impeachment complaint filed against her in Congress. According to the SC, the petition for certiorari or certiorari and prohibition with urgent application for temporary restraining order and writ of preliminary injunction was filed on Tuesday, Feb 18. The petition seeks to nullify, pinapawalang bisa, to nullify the fourth impeachment complaint filed by the members of the House of Representatives, citing Article 11 of the Constitution. No impeachment proceeding shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year. Pero anong ba sabi? Yung 1 year daw ay from the time na na-file sa Senate. So, anong ground dito? Well, anyway, malabas pa rin dito mga clear, tina-technical nila. So, hindi ito sagot doon sa di umanong korupsyon, sa mga di umanong peking resibo, sa di umanong nagastos agad in 11 days ng hindi para sa yung pinagkagastosan ay hindi dapat sagot ng confidential fund. Diba? So, hindi ito sagot patungkol sa hindi niya ma-i-account yung millions of pesos na notice of disallowance ng COA. So, this is more technicality. Jurisdiction, the way it was filed. So the petition that they filed does not touch on the merits. It does not touch on the merits of the case. Hindi pa tungkol doon. It's more on, may jurisdiction ba? Dapat ba na-file? Dapat hindi na-file? May mga ganon. So, okay, as a consequence, issue of writ of prohibition enjoined the Senate Act. And to enjoin, pinapahinto rin, issue a prohibition to enjoin, pinapahinto ang Senate of the Philippines from acting on the fourth impeachment complaint due to the violation of 1-year bar under the aforesaid Constitution provision. So dito pa lang, as of February 2025, gusto niya nang patain ang impeachment proceedings. Diba? Kasi na-file na to yung fourth impeachment complaint, na-file na sa Senado Kaya gusto nila ipahinto ang Senado na umakto dito. Kasi meron daw violation ng 1-year bar under the aforesaid constitutional provision. Okay?